Alright guys, I'm just out riding, and today me and a group of lads, we're going to Ace Cafe later in London, but we're just about to go out to a green lane. What? I have a fifth! What? I have a fifth gear! You have a fifth gear? I thought you had! What, was it just really stiff? This guy on the Sinus didn't realise he had a fifth gear, so he said it kept redlining at 60, and we were like, what the fuck? Surely it's got more in it. So, and he was like, yeah, it's only got 4 gears. But he just found the fifth gear, mate. It's a miracle. That's fucking brilliant. Speed camera, bike life, mate. I'm joking, mate. Fucking hell, it's so bright. My old helmet had a peak on it. It was beautiful. On a bunch of these roads, they've got like no entry written on the floor, but I always just read it as no entry, even though it's like upside down. So I'm like, shit, have I got no entry? Because I just don't register that it's the wrong way around. Fucking dyslexic retard. I don't know, like whenever the writing's upside down, I just still read it normally. And then I'm like, oh, am I not allowed here? I don't know. God. Don't know what happened to Harvo.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Oh, what a beautiful bike. Harvey's getting them sick wheelies, mate. I just missed it. I just turned off my camera. I need to practice the WR wheelies. So then when I get 400, I'll be ripe. There's got to be some green lanes around here by the looks of it. I can smell the green lanes. I can smell the cow shit. Okay, this is a road, but it's pretty much half road, half green lane / gravel lane. We just saw a car come down here. His suspension must be royally raped. Why are we following Tom? Following Tom never works. Oh fuck! I got so much. I need to stop sweating. Oh damn! I've got so much jism in my eye. Gravel jism, the worst kind. Okay, now we're going from roads to definite lanes. There's there's smoke coming. There's smoke coming from his bike. I swear that smelled like burning. Oh man, I swear there was smoke coming from his bike. It might have just been dust. It looked very smoky coming from his bike. Oh, that was funny. Yeah. These are like proper. Whoa, is that a golf course? Oh, that's illegal, Ryan. But yeah, fucking this is like some proper supermoto courses because it's like gravelly dirt and stuff, and then roads. It's just perfect for the supermoto. Oh. I can imagine this gets so so muddy. I'm lagging behind. What's happening? I mean, the fact that I can't see because of the bloody sun. But everyone else has probably got the same issue, Ryan. Stop making excuses. Harvey's got the right idea. He's got sunglasses on. I'm not gonna lie and say it looks cool, but you know. You can see like each sun ray, probably not on camera, but in real life you can see each sun ray because of all the dust that's been kicked up. This is like such a sick little path. I'm not sure if it's like a byway or a bridle way. Byways you can go down legit. Oh, got both hands on the handlebars, Ryan. Bridleways are like for horses and people and shit. Skid. Was your bike smoking earlier?
Yeah.
What was that?
I think it was just water touching the exhaust.
Oh, that's alright. I was pissing myself. It's so funny.
Right.
This is the famous Ford. Mate, I don't want to get my bike dirty. That's my only issue. Like, I've been keeping it so...
Like showroom quality.
It's fresh out, actually. Fresh out the showroom. We like riding with Tommy. Oh shit. That was deeper than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
Gotta let it dry out. It's Harvey doing it. Oh my fucking god. Save your life. God, you're such a gay. I can't believe you did that joke.
Oh look, there's a key here. There's a what? There's a key. Ooh. What key?
It unlocks my heart.
Oh, okay.
Gay.
Fucking hell.
Ooh, playing with fire.
Oh, I'm literally so happy I've got fifth gear. I'm going to keep saying it.
I can't believe that. That was so funny. You were like, no, it's only got 4 gears. I was like, nah, I swear there's 5.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been redlining the shit out of like, coming back from Farnborough this morning, I was like, redlining. Come on!
Was it really stiff to like, get it up?
Oh, yeah. I had to like...
You fucking push.
I had a crack as I went up.
Really? It probably hadn't been done in like...
Oh, yeah.
There's a point when you're like...
Thank you for your support.
That was just power from the second gear. I like managed to bounce up the front wheel.
Wait until we're long.
Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Looks like he's about to kick there, Ben. Niner, call in. I need to pull in the clutch to like properly bring up the front wheel sometimes on this because it can't just power through a lot of it. But I can kind of let go with one finger. But I like to keep all fingers on the handle. You gotta bounce in the knees, let the bike do the talking. Make sure to get close to the orange bike.
No.
Back on the ride until we see another horse. Oh, I got so much shit in my eyes. Making those speed bumps are bitch. Spotted a dog walking down there. Let's take it steady, guys. Let's not have any accidents. Cheers. Oh, he didn't look happy. I said thank you, and he gave me the look of what the fuck are you doing here? Oh, Jambo's foot is doing the talking. Jambo loves his foot action, I tell you, mate. He has the biggest foot fetish.